Alright, welcome to Tax Trip. You're hanging out with your man T-Max. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to buy Telegram stars and also buy the premium pass for the Azuki game. Alright, so let's just jump in and get started.
Buying a premium pass, of course, you need some tone in your tone wallet. So I'm using my tone wallet. So I deposited some tone here to this wallet. So right now I'm just going to buy Telegram stars. So how do I buy Telegram stars? I just come to my tone wallet, I come to the explore page, and I come to the split app, split.tj, right? So I will just come over here and say I want to buy Telegram stars. I'll put my Telegram username, and my Telegram username, how to find your Telegram username is very easy. Just come to your Telegram account, make sure it's the right Telegram username. If not, you're going to send the stars to somebody else. So just click my profile and you see here username attack stripper. So I'm going to go here and just say tax stripper, right? Tax stripper right there. So once I do that, I will say I want to buy that with tone. I click tone, and I'll see the amount I want to buy. I want to buy 1,000, and you see it's going to cost me 10 tone, and I'll just click buy Telegram stars, and all I need to do is approve, right? I just click send. I approve the transaction. It takes less than a minute for me to receive my Telegram stars. Let's go and confirm if I've received my Telegram stars. Come to settings, scroll down to stars. You can see my stars have arrived. So now I can go back to Telegram and let's just go to tax strip and visit the game again that way, and I'm in the game. So I can just come over here to Johnny again. Once I click Johnny, and I come here to premium pass, and I'll say get premium pass for 990 stars. I'll click get it, and they say should I approve it? I'll say yes. Right now I have premium pass. So now continue to shopping. Now that I have premium pass, you can see here I can claim all these rewards, and this would help you rank on the leaderboard very fast. So you see there are a lot of rewards you're going to earn through this. You see I'm claiming all my rewards. So the more you play the game, the more you advance in this level. So you can see it's up to level 100, and there are several XPs you collect. These XPs are going to help you get more rewards. So if you check here, let's just say for instance I come here and I check play game, and I come to leaderboard. Because I've collected that reward, you see now I'm still very far. I'm ranked at number 775. I'm still very far from the top 10. If you click top 10 here, let's say for instance top 10, you see the number one person on the leaderboard here has 99 million. So the more you play, the more you get more rewards. So
after playing the game for a whole day, after getting my premium pass, I want to check myself on the leaderboard to see where I'm ranked now. Right here, come to play and click leaderboard. Okay, so I'm ranked at 136, so I'm making progress. So I'm aiming for top 100. So stay with me, and if you want to learn all the strategies I'm using to actually rank the leaderboard, just join us here at Tax Strip. Follow our Tax Strip channel, come Tax Strip with the trademark there, and come down here and just, you see the link. If you want to join the game, you can see these are the links. There's actually a $30,000 reward for this season, so it's very good you join very early and rake in more points and climb the leaderboard. So let's build a community here, and if you have any questions, if you need any help, you could just use the comment section there and ask any questions. So thank you for joining. Have a great time and keep smashing it. Bye.